Eia kāko he hoʻokai haneli iwa kālua kumalima makeki ma hope mai o ko hoʻokahuli ia o ke aupuni Hawaiʻi aua kai kānaka mai mauna ala a hiki loa I kai nei e hoʻomanao I kēia la keu o ke koʻikoʻi ai a koa pū mai ana na halau hula na papahimeni a me ka Royal Hawaiian Band e hoʻola hou I nā mele Aloha Aina e nāna mai no I kēia polokalamu o e ola nā Mele Lāhui Hawaiʻi.
Aloha. On behalf of the King Kamehameha V Judiciary History Center, the Hawaii State Bar Association Civic Education Committee, and the Dolores Furtado Martin Foundation, aloha noa and welcome to Eola na Mele Lāhui. My name is Troy Andrade. I'm a law professor and co-chair of the Civic Education Committee. At this time, it is now my pleasure to introduce Chief Justice Mark Recktenwald.
Good evening and aloha. On behalf of the Hawaii State Judiciary, welcome to Lili'uokalani Hale. Thank you for joining us for the 125th year observance of the overthrow of the Kingdom of Hawaii. Before I begin, I'd like to thank the King Kamehameha V Judiciary History Center. The staff worked incredibly hard to set up the room and prepare for today, as well as the Hawaii State Bar Association Civic Education Committee and the Dolores Furtado Martin Foundation for their generous funding of our event. This event could not have taken place without their support, and we're so grateful to them. We also extend our mahalo to this evening's hula halau and choirs. And finally, mahalo to Oiwi TV and our viewers. To all of you, we appreciate your support and participation. Tonight, the judiciary acknowledges the importance of an informed and engaged citizenry, along with the right of expression. In the late 18th century, Maka'ainana, living in Hawaii's Puna district, made a lasting impact on a young chief, Kamehameha. After a violent mishap with fishermen from the district, Kamehameha decreed the law of the splintered paddle. The law guaranteed safety to people, both great and humble. This wasn't the first time that the Maka'ainana, the general populace, influenced ali'i, nor was it the last. Hawaii has a legal history rich in civic engagement and political expression, a history profoundly influenced by its citizenry. This evening, we look at political expression of Hawaiians at the time of the overthrow of their government. During this period, many Hawaiians took to the press to stay informed and to express themselves. The hula kahiko tonight are set to mele from the Buke Mele Lāhui, a rich collection of Hawaiian political expression. The mele during the second half of our program are selected from the Queen's Songbook. Once again, thank you for joining us this evening. Aloha.
The first mele presented this evening pays tribute to the first battle in the January 1895 uprising that took place on Daimanahila, what we call today Diamond Head. The composer D.K. Kaumumi invokes Aloha Aina as the driving force behind the attempt to restore the queen. Aloha Aina, literally translated as love of the land, is a deep sense of patriotism and connection with land and the sovereignty of the kingdom. Kaumumi writes, "Patriotism remains in my heart and forever dwells. Long live Hawaiʻi." Under the direction of Kumuhula Snowbird Bento, Kapahula Lili'uokalani presents Hoʻolulu ke Aloha Aina.
No na ola kai ka ulu vehi vehi kua nai ilu na o moʻohelaia ka ohi aku ilu na o mauna loe. Aloha mai ka ula na ula ia. E ala ka ulala he ulale he mohai he ka nai na uia oe e laka. E laka e hou.
Ai, ai kaluna o Daimanahila.
ke au mala mala mai, haʻina ia mai ana ka puana, e aloha aina e hoʻolu nei.
E ola.
E ola Hawaiʻi a mauloa, a kau ke au mala mala mai, haʻina ia mai ana ka puana, e aloha aina e hoʻolu nei.
He aloha aina, koʻu wai.
Like many of the other compositions in the Buke Mele Lāhui, the composers have set their minds to giving life for the Queen. They express an unyielding desire to keep fighting for the restoration of the kingdom. Composer S.P.J. Kahananui in his poem Napua Kaulana a o Hawaiʻi writes, I seal my decision in my mind, forever strong to my love of the land, love to the monarch, and the crowned flag of Hawaiʻi. Under the direction of Nā Kumuhula Keano Kaupu and Lono Padilla, the keiki of Halau Hi'iaka i Nā Makalehua present Nā Pua Kaulana a o Hawaiʻi.
E ke kamaihele ma liu mai ka leo maha maha e kaniala. E ki pai ka opu eu nei. E aloha kai hiki mai ka uhale. Aloha e. Hey,
Our next halau, Halau Nā Mama o Pu'uana Hulu, under the direction of Kumuhula Sunny Ching and Lopaka Igarta de Vera, close our hula performances with Ke Kumu Ola and Kupa'a o Iai'o Mele Lāhui. Ke Kumu Ola, in contrast to earlier poetry about places with very specific associations, is one of the first that celebrates Hawaiʻi as a nation, as a whole, with generalized attributes across all the islands. The second mele, Kupa'a o Iai'o Mele Lāhui, glorifies the queen in her authority and proudly calls for her restoration to the throne. The mele is a call to action to support Lili'uokalani. Now, 25 years ago, this halau performed in this building at the 100th observance of the overthrow. Halau Nā Mama o Pu'uana Hulu.
Paupu mai hoʻi me wharani. Ua ilo kahi mai lākou e hoʻi o lili'ui ke kalaunu. Me kai kalaunu e veloa nei ka pauhaia o iona. Ea kuno au o mai oi. Ua kau o kalani ka no hawe o hei noa kēia. No Lili'uokalani.
He mea kupai ana ha maoli no ke ano ana mele Hawaiʻi mai ka hoene ana mai o na leo nahe. Ai ke koe I kaika ana mai o kahi ukulele e lele pū ai na lalani mele mai na lehe o ka puolo ai ka pahukani o ka pepe iau a oni a ela ke kino o ka mea nanea I ka hoʻolohe. E komo pū mai no me mākou ko Uiwi TV I ka walea I ke kalena nui loa o ko Hawaiʻi mau poʻe himeni a hoʻokani pila me ka lohe pū I ke kahi mau moʻolelo I kupu mai ai na mele ala ko ma mele makalihi wai ko Uiwi TV polokalamu mele e hoʻolele ia ma Uiwi Kiko TV me ke kanela kiko hoʻe helu kolu lua ono. Aloha.
He mawala kaʻi, kiaʻi, a poʻelo ea ko ke lā me Mele Lāhui a puni ka honua. Keu aku ma Hawaiʻi. A na kēia poʻe mākau Hawaiʻi e hoʻola, a hoʻopaʻa hou I ke kahua o ka ike I kēia au.
Hawi ho ana ke.
No ka pono o nā hanauna e hiki mai ana. E nāna aku ia nā loea The Masters, he pukaʻina hou ma o Uiwi TV ke kanela kiko hoʻe kolu lua ono.
He aha ia mea o ka hoʻokele waʻa, ano ke aha I koʻe ai ia hana no ka hoʻoulu ana I nā ala kai o ka hanauna hou. E nāna mai noi ana pe o hokulea ma Uiwi Kiko TV a ma ke kanela kiko hoʻe helu kolu lua ono.
We are one of those fortunate indigenous and native communities that are very much on the upswing. Our language is being revitalized, our cultural practices are being revitalized, and through the work that we do at Uiwi TV, through the stories that we want to tell, we are opening up a veil into the Hawaiian community. And we are hopefully sharing stories about what the modern kind of Hawaiian experience is like today.
You're looking at a voyage that will take Hokulea away from Hawaii for 3 years. You would be sailing at least 45,000 nautical miles. It would be by far the most dangerous thing that we would ever consider doing as a voyaging family. The risks are huge, but on the other side, the possibilities are enormous. We're not going to change the world, but we're going to go and build a network of people around the earth who are going to change it. And our job is to help them be successful.
Aloha nui o wau no o Aaron Salah.
Aloha o wau o Snowbird Bento.
O wau o Sean Kekoa Pimentel.
I am Lili'uokalani and I watch Uiwi TV.
Nana wau ya Uiwi TV.
Nana maua ya Uiwi TV.
And we're Nahoa. And you're watching TV.
He kūwhanaha maoli no ke aloha o ke kanaka Hawaiʻi I ko kākou mau aliʻi. A ia kekahi mau mele I haku ia e kekahi aliʻi aloha nui ia e kākou o Lili'uokalani no hoʻi.
Following the uprising in 1895, Queen Lili'uokalani was arrested, tried, and convicted of misprision of treason. The Republic placed her under house arrest in her own palace. Following her release, and while visiting one of her homes in Waikiki, Lili'u composed Kaumumi, a song that expressed her deep knowledge that she is truly the leader of her Hawaiian people, as she likens herself to the kalo, and purest of vai, water, captured in the kalo leaf. Under the direction of Nola Nahulu, the Hawaii Youth Opera Chorus and the University of Hawaii at Manoa Hawaiian Chorus presents Kawai Apo Lani. Tonight, 125 years after the overthrow, members of the Royal Hawaiian Band Glee Club will play for us a set of 3 songs. The first, Lili'uokalani, was originally a chant written by Antone Ka'o'o that was set to music by John Kaulia. The mele expresses the composer's loyalty and aloha for Queen Lili'uokalani.
Aina ia mai ana kapuana Ele liu e noho ngani mai E o ele liu I ko I noa Ka hai
Finally, the Royal Hawaiian Band Glee Club will play Ku'upua I Polokalamu, a song written by Lili'uokalani during her imprisonment. The song speaks of the fragrant flowers she missed at her Waikiki estate. Please join me in again welcoming back the Royal Hawaiian Glee Club. Mahalo for joining us this evening. We'd like to again thank our partners, the Hawaii State Bar Association Civic Education Committee, the King Kamehameha V Judiciary History Center, Oiwi TV, and the Dolores Furtado Martin Foundation for making this event possible. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the awesome members of the History Center, Terry Skillman for her hard work in planning all of this, Ahukini Fuertes, and Matt Matisse definitely deserve our round of applause. To close, please rise as we all together sing Hawaiʻi Pono'i. Mahalo.
He nani lua ole ia mau mele hoʻi ke ana ina ano like ole aloha I ke kanaka I ka ʻāina. Aua velo maoli no ia ano kuana I ke ai kēia au. Mahalo ka nana ana mai I kēia polokalamu e ola na Mele Lāhui Hawaiʻi. E nana mai no I na polokalamu a pau o OiV TV ma OiV Kiko TV a ma ke kanela ki ko hoe helu kolu lua ono. Aloha.